to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe if you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. So today I am going to do a clean with me, the aftermath from my vacation. My house is a disaster right now. We were on the road for about 12 or 13 hours yesterday, I think it was. And when I walked in the door, I just carried my stuff in, dumped it right here next to me in the floor, and just kind of left it there. I did get a few things out this morning while I was trying to get ready for the day, but I have a huge mess to clean up. I have a ton of laundry I need to get done before I go back to work tomorrow. I hope this is some great motivation for you today. Maybe it'll help you get up and get your cleaning done and, you know, put your stuff away after vacation. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you the huge mess I have, and then I'm going to put on some music and just let you guys come along with me while I clean. So here is the mess that I left when I walked in the door yesterday. I have a bunch of laundry that I need to do. I've got, you know, all of this stuff that needs to be put away, clothes that need to be folded. It is just a mess in this room.